Hello, welcome to Channeling Truth. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while, but we've had a lot going on. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to post some short little videos that I think might help you in my laundry room as I'm switching over the laundry. Then I would remember, I thought. So I have some notes here that I'm going to talk from to try to keep my videos short and sweet. So here we go. I decided to make a video about how to be when other people around you are struggling, and maybe things are going really well for you and yet there's other people around you that are struggling. When we're having success in our life and other people are still going through struggles, we tend to maybe look down upon them and feel sorry for them and have pity for them, but those are really not things that we should be doing, and they're certainly not things we would want done when we were going through those parts in our life. So I just wanted to remind everybody, as we're going through this huge shift in our culture and in our reality, just a little reminder about how to be when other people may be struggling and you're not. Or maybe you are struggling, maybe other people are struggling worse. I don't know. But here's some tips. So first of all, help them by understanding where they're at is okay, and it's where they're supposed to be right now. And you wishing they're not supposed to be there or having pity for them for being there is not helping them go through their situation. So, okay, sorry, one of my children just interrupted. I hope, whatever, if you saw that. Okay, so where was I? Help them by understanding that where they're at is where they're supposed to be. Very important. Don't look at people like they're not where they're supposed to be, because you are where you're supposed to be and so is everybody else. So stop feeling like what they're doing is wrong, or what they're doing where they're at isn't supposed to be. They're supposed to be like advancing beyond it, or they're supposed to be growing up. Everybody has different stages. Some people peer into adulthood never really growing up. So stop trying to put a label on where other people are supposed to be. And even yourself, where you're at is where you're supposed to be. Remember that, most important, okay? So comfort them by being there when they need you. If they need a little support or a little talk, or, or whatever, be there to support them. Don't tell them that they're wrong for being where they're at. Tell them that they're where they're supposed to be. And you have to go through the motions and you have to keep moving forward. And how fast that goes or how slow that goes is fine. All of it is okay. And you're supposed to enjoy your life. So even when you're struggling, you can still enjoy it. There's still enjoyable things about life. So focus on those things, and those are good things to tell somebody, that is struggling. If you're going through a hard time, try to put things into your life that make you feel good, or try to remember things that make you feel good. Do things that make you feel good. Keep yourself happy, even when you're struggling, I'm particularly going through like a rough week in my life, and like everything is going wrong. I don't even know, I can't even explain it. It's crazy going wrong. So but in this point in my life, I was even in tears today because nothing was going right. But I just was laughing because I know that it's okay, and I know that this day is going to pass, and I'm going to learn so much from all the struggles that I've had today. And there's a reason for it. And I don't need to know what that is right now. I can just move past it and it's okay. Okay? Even if it's really, really bad. I drove to the gas station and I'm on empty. And we don't live that far away from the gas station, but still, it's not good to be on empty. And it's been on empty for a while. And I go to open the gas cap, and the gas door won't open. That was just one of the things that went wrong today. That was really frustrating. So I had to drive home on empty, and then my husband is sick, so he can't even help me right now. So the car is on empty, and the other vehicle that we have has no seats in it. So because we were hauling something, so we took all the seats out. So maybe I could get in that car. I don't know. But that's just the day I've had. Okay, so keeping on topic. So just support them with love and respect. Respect them for where they're at. They're not doing anything wrong, and neither are you. But you thinking that they are doing something wrong is absolutely wrong. We have to be okay with where we're at. And we have to be okay where other people are too, even if it's not where you are, especially when it comes to family members, because it certainly doesn't help people when you put them down by making them feel where they're at is wrong. So, especially right now in the world that we're living in, we need a big reminder of this. And everybody, I think, could use an extra long distance hug and maybe just say it's okay. It's okay. It's okay to struggle. It's okay to be where you're at. And it's okay. And I think I'll end the video there. So if you like this and want more, do whatever. I'm just going to keep making these because I enjoy sharing this information and it comes to me. So I might as well share it. And maybe I'll share some struggles that I have in my life too. And we can work through them together. Okay. Bye-bye from my laundry room. I will switch over the laundry and get back to work.